exposing the easiest way to earn in Web 3. Ready to dive into Taskon? First up, let's gather the essentials. You'll need a Twitter account, Discord account, Telegram account, a Mises browser, and a Web3 wallet. MetaMask is a solid choice. Got it? Great, now let's set up Taskon. Click the link in the description or search taskon.xyz on Google. Open the Taskon website in Mises browser. Hit login or sign up and connect your MetaMask wallet. Boom, your account is live. Next, head to profile settings and connect all your social accounts, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. For each, click the icon Authorize in Mises browser and complete authentication. Now you're fully connected and ready to earn. Time to snag those quests. Click on quests at the top of the Taskon site. Check out the ongoing quests. Pick a task, complete it, and wait for those sweet rewards to roll in. Taskon offers lucky draws, top positions, and auto-distribution rewards. Easy peasy, got questions? Drop a comment on this video or join my Telegram group. Links in the description. Happy earning, Web3 warriors. Join Task Trekkers for more tips and tricks on earning in Web3. Visit our website or follow us on social media.